This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the chart itself. This ensures chart-specific options appear. Once the chart is active, click the existing title text box to edit directly, or add a title using the Chart Elements button if no title exists. You do this because Excel links titles to the chart object. Editing the title text box updates only that chart. Make sure to use a single click to select, not a double click that might enter a different mode. Now you choose how to change the name. Type a new static title directly into the title box for a simple label, or link it to a worksheet cell so it updates automatically. To link, click the title, go to the formula bar, type an equals sign, then click the cell you want and press enter. You do this because a linked title reflects live data or calculations, whereas a static name is fixed. Once linked, the chart title will change with the cell value. Finish by formatting the title so it communicates clearly. Use the Home or Format tab to adjust font, size, color, and alignment. Once done, make sure linked cell formulas are correct and press F9 to recalculate if the title doesn't update. If you can't edit the title, check Worksheet Protection, lock chart elements, or hidden sheets. Unprotect the workbook and try again. You want the title both accurate and readable, so finalize spacing and capitalization before saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.